Looking for top 5 restaurant lists for the next month? Here are mine. Beauty in Essex is a trendy restaurant located inside the Cosmopolitan. It offers a unique dining experience, has a secret entrance through a pawn shop. Yardbird Southern Table and Bar is a popular restaurant located in the Venetian. It specializes in Southern style cuisine. It also has an extensive whiskey and bourbon list to complement the dishes. The next is Lotus of Siam. Lotus of Siam is a popular Thai restaurant located off the strip. It is known for its authentic northern Thai cuisine, including its famous crispy duck and papaya salad. Next one is Raku. Raku is a Japanese izakaya style restaurant. It serves traditional Japanese dishes. The restaurant also has a unique sake with over 50 different types to choose from. Gordon Ramsay's Steakhouse, located inside the Paris Las Vegas Hotel. This restaurant offers perfectly cooked steaks and exceptional service. So check out my stories on Instagram to see where I eat next.